Chapter 15 Vignanasya Chamatkaraha Miracles of Science. Hello student.
Hello teacher.
Nice. Student, let me introduce you to the modern things in the school classroom in Sanskrit language. Look student. Etat vyajanam. This is a fan. Etat vatayanam. This is window. Etat pustakam. This is the book. Eshah goldip. This is the bulb. Eshah kabirah. This is Kabir. Esha mona asti. This is Mona. Esha utpithika asti. This is the table. Students, in this way, we can introduce the modern things around us in Sanskrit language and also get to know the Sanskrit names of new devices. Did you understand, student?
Yes, teacher.
Nice. So let us get acquainted with the Sanskrit names of some similar tools of the present age. Etat Vignanasya Yugam. This is the era of science. Atra tatra sarvatra Vignanasya Chamatkaran Vayam Pashyamah. We can see miracles of science here, there and everywhere. Eshah Brahman Bhashah. This is a mobile phone. Janah Brahman Bhashen Parasparam Vartalapam Kurvanti. People talk with each other with a mobile phone. Etat Shitakam. This is a refrigerator. Janah Shitakasya Shitapeyam Jalam Pibanti. People drink cold water of the refrigerator. Etat Sangankam. This is a computer. Yasah Sangankam Chalayati. Yash operates the computer. Sanganken Vividhani Karyani Saralam Shigram Cha Bhavanti. Various jobs are done easily and quickly with a computer. Etat Durdarshanam. This is a television. Janah Durdarshan Madhyamen Vartaha Chalchitrani Vividhan Karyakraman Pashyanti Shruvanti Cha. People watch and listen to national or international news, movies and various programs through the medium of television. Etat Vimanam Asti. This is an airplane. Vimanam Akash Marge Chalati. An airplane moves in the sky. Viman Yatra Romancham Dadati. A journey done by plane is exciting. Vimanen Dursthanasya Yatra Shigram Purna Bhavati. A journey to a far-off place is completed quickly by an airplane. Etat Vyajanam. This is a ceiling fan. Vyajanam Brahman Karoti. The fan rotates. Vyajanam Tapam Harti. A fan removes heat. Students, did you understand?
Yes, teacher.
Nice. So let's write a list of modern tools that you have in your home in Sanskrit language.